As I walk in this wood, the same path as life's yesterdays. These footprints are mine, some fresh, some faded, some just like those I make today. My staff punctuates each step as I rest from my long journey. This wood refreshes me. My heart is full, my spirit lifted. When I was young, I walked this path in my father's hand, leaping from rock to root with the innocence of a child. Then, one day, I walked alone. Now I walk with my son. He too will make his own footprints, which he will follow even as they change. As his father, I have marked his path, but it will be his to walk. From time to time I have left this wood, only to find myself empty and longing to return. This wood will take me back one day. On that day, that last day that I wander this path, I will entrust it to my son and join with this wood, watching over all that wander herein. In this wood I will stand with my father and rejoice in the path which my son walks, till one day he stands with me in this wood again, together.